Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix bad quality Instagram uploads. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Afterwards, you may now open your Instagram app, and then right here, what I would suggest is you use your Wi-Fi instead of your data. So, once you have used your Wi-Fi, make sure also to go to your profile found on the lower right corner, and then click on the three lines found on the upper right corner, and click on Settings, and simply search for data right here. And then, once you search for data, click on data usage and then wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, now you may turn on the high quality uploads right here. So make sure to click the toggle button found on the rightmost part and make sure it has turned into blue and not gray. Also, you just simply turn off the use less cellular data option so that you may have a higher quality uploads. So, as you can see, using less cellular data may affect your experience on Instagram. For example, photos and videos may take longer to load. And turning on high quality uploads will upload higher quality videos on cellular or Wi-Fi, as well as additional processing time may be required due to larger file sizes. So that's it. That's how you can fix bad quality Instagram uploads. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.